Just in time for beautiful weather with the top down on this 560, guys. Beautiful red exterior, all original. This car is showing 94,000 miles, upgraded Bluetooth radio. Very nice interior, guys. Runs, drives, stops. Really good. Nice reflection on the original paint. There's your hard top. All around the car is just simply nice. If you need financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com. We have great financing, low payments. If your credit score is between 620 and 770, you will need two things: good credit and obviously 10% down of the purchase price. Now you can roll in your sales tax for your state. You can roll in your delivery charges if you're out of state. We can definitely take care of that for you. For those of you over an 800 credit score, possibly I got a no money down option. Rates start about 7%, and they go up from there. Beautiful car, right? Can't you agree? Nice vintage. Love it. Love these 560s. All around, just beautiful. Look at this. From every angle, this car is beautiful. It's like a piece of artwork. There's the top here, the hard top. It comes with the car. Okay. Beautiful SL, guys. So for those of you who need delivery, you're out of state, we offer that. We're licensed, insured, and bonded for the purchase price of this vehicle. You can call or text. If you call, leave a voicemail if I don't pick up. And if you want to text me, you'll get a quicker response. I will need year, make, model, and your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com. Bye-bye.